How to find a gap in the market. For your business to do well, there needs to be a demand for what you're offering. This could mean introducing something brand new that people will be interested in, or providing a better option than what's already out there. A gap in the market is essentially a need that hasn't been fulfilled yet. This could be because there's no product or service available to meet that need. Existing options don't do it well enough, or sometimes people aren't even aware of the need yet. For example, let's say a town has many restaurants, but none serve Mexican food. That's a gap you could fill. Or maybe there's a French restaurant, but it doesn't cater to families with kids. That's another gap. Sometimes, even if people seem satisfied with what's available, they might eagerly embrace something new if it fulfills a need they didn't even know they had, like a food delivery service offering any cuisine at any time. To find these gaps, research the market you want to enter and think about your own experiences. Look for things that aren't available yet but could be, or ways you could improve existing options. If you're planning a local business, talk to people to see what's missing in your area. Try out existing products and services yourself to see where they fall short. And don't be afraid to think outside the box and spot needs that others haven't noticed yet. When you're looking at potential market gaps, it's important to understand why they exist. Sometimes it's simply because nobody has come up with the right product or service yet. But other times there might not be enough demand to make it worthwhile. For instance, that town without a Mexican restaurant might have had one before, but it closed down because there just weren't enough customers. So, when you're exploring potential markets, stay open-minded and be ready to adjust your ideas. Do thorough research before you dive in, so you can make informed decisions about where to focus your efforts. A gap in the market represents an opportunity to connect with a group of customers who haven't been reached yet. Sometimes, it's about recognizing that part of an existing market isn't being served well enough, or it could involve spotting a completely new opportunity within an industry. By keeping an eye on trends and understanding what your competitors are offering, you can figure out if your product or service has the potential to meet needs that aren't currently being addressed. This can be a crucial step in finding success in the marketplace. There are a few important concepts that we should understand. 1. Competitive markets. These are markets where there are many buyers and sellers, preventing any single entity from controlling the market price. 2. Demand. This refers to the quantity of a product or service that customers are willing to purchase at a certain price. 3. Market disruptors. These are innovators who introduce new products, services, or strategies that change existing markets significantly. Often they become leaders in these new markets as a result of their innovations. Let's end this video with a quote. Having high expectations is the cornerstone of achieving success. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Watch more videos by clicking on this video right over here.